Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a way in which you can easily do whiteboarding online. So you don't need any other things here. You just have to come here and type in whiteboard.com. So normally I see that people going into Paint for showing something on the call and all. They do go to Paint and open up and show the drawings. So instead of that, what you can do is you can come to whiteboard.com. So you don't have edge here. So here you can easily draw and show. And the thing is, best thing is that it automatically has the ability to even correct some of these things, like it turned into the circle. So here you can do pretty much everything that you want to do, and you can erase it whatever you don't want, and you can share this with your friends so they also can do it. The best part is that it doesn't need any sign up. So all the other tools that is available in the market that needs some kind of sign up. So here you have shape detection on. Now you have you can save it as an image and send it. It can be integrated in the Slack plugin, and there is history if you turn on the login option. So I feel this tool is very interactive. Even in the big screens, if you want to use it, you can use it. So you have the option of writing also. You can change the color. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.